Today we're going to go over how to update or edit your CatLife page after your registration has been approved. So make your way over to catlife.ucmerced.edu. Make sure you're logged in the top right. Then you're going to hit the 9 squares right next to where you can see that you're logged in. Then you're going to make your way over to Manage, then My Memberships. So I'm going to use the Office of Student Involvement for an example. And here you can see you can review the roster, about, events, news, gallery, documents, forms, elections, finance, and service hours. We're going to go to about, and here you can update your profile picture, your description, all the contact information, and the address, the phone, the fax, the email. And here we can also add our social media pages for our organization. And hit update when you're all done. Thanks for watching.